So if you are following this system, you already have a list of 5 or more low DR sites for every niche that you have shortlisted. Now it's time to go through the organic traffic growth of each of these sites and see on average what time they took to get decent traffic out of Google. What amount of time they took to get out of Google Sandbox period. So for this, let me search for any keyword like best binoculars under 200. So here you can see you have sites like Binoculars Guru that I can copy, and also you have Optics Mag. Okay, so you need to avoid old sites like 2011, 2012, because SEO was different back then. So Ahrefs bar will not display you the domain age, so there may be other extensions. So the quickest way that I figured out to see the age of this domain or whether it is actively updated or not, you can open these sites and here just type in sitemap.xml. Okay, when you go to their sitemap, go to their post sitemap here and see the years here. So all are updated in 2020. That means so, and let me go here and here sitemap.xml. So post sitemap and here 2019, 2020, 2017. Okay, it's 3 years or 4 years old now. So yeah, no problem. We can still analyze. Let me head over to Ahrefs. And here, let me enter in this site, that is Optics Mag. Okay, you need to do this for all the competitor sites that you have shortlisted across various niches. Okay, so here you have 16.6K organic traffic. All right, so let me go to organic search here. So all time, you can see this site. I can check this site's domain age for now. Okay, so Optics Mag. Okay, domain age checker. There are various domain age checker tools that you can make use of. Where's my previous search? Okay, so you have smallseotools.com. Okay, opticsmag.com with HTTPS. Okay, 3 years, 2 months, 19 days old. So date created, it's May 2017. So May 2017. Okay, at this time they may have registered their domain name and only started posting after some time. So for that, what you can do is, this is tricky, by the way. This is a real life problem that you will encounter when implementing this validation strategy. So here you can go to post sitemap, page sitemap, and you can see 2017 page is there, right? Contact page would be the first page that would they have been created. Okay, so and here you can go to their blog page. Let me browse their blog saying 17. Okay, 17. So this is their first blog post. In sitemap, date modified is updated there, so you won't be able to figure out the date published. So inspect here again, published, date published on 2017 May. All right. So even if they were publishing articles in 2017, they were not getting traffic. In that case, you can see their backlink profile. You can see they have started their backlink building process only after 2019. All right. So you can see from 2018 October, they started their backlink building process. 2018 October. Okay. You can see 2018 September, October, November, December, January, February. Yeah, they hit the 1,000 traffic mark within 6 months of starting backlinks. That is really good, guys. So the sandbox period for binoculars or optics niche is like 5 to 6 months. So let me search another site, binocularsguru.com. Okay, so they started their link building in February 2019. Okay, so organic traffic, February, March, April, May, June, July. All right, 5 to 6 months. So you can be pretty sure that in the optics or binocular niche, to hit the 1,000 traffic per month mark, you need at least 5 to 6 months for Google to trust you, right? So this period in which they receive little to no traffic is called probationary period by Google, that is Google Sandbox, right? During this period, Google will drive you very little traffic. With this period in place, Google will be able to prevent most of the impatient spammers, quickly trying to climb up the SERPs by, building spammy backlinks. So this period, that is 5 to 6 months for this niche, can even be minimized to say 3 to 4 months by publishing strategic content. You need to follow some systematic strategies like topical clustering, KGR, publishing informational content over commercial content straight away, and timing the backlink building process and other things. So like this, you need to get an idea about what time does it take on average to succeed in your niche. Because if the niche is highly competitive, like treadmills or exercise bikes, it may take 8 months maybe, if you don't implement the strategies that we are going to teach here. So the lower the competitiveness of the niche, the better it is for you to get quick traffic out of your new blog.